Hello students, I am Narsimlu, commerce teacher working in Telangana State Model School and Junior College. Today I am going to teach you CEC second year accountancy unit 4 chapter 2 partnership accounts, admission of a partner, part 9, problems and solution 4. In this video, the important point is one, goodwill taken away by old partners in cash. So in the last 3 videos, part 9, 3 videos, I have explained 3 problems related to admission of a partner. In each problem, you have learned different adjustment points. In this problem, means here in this video, a new point, that is when goodwill is taken away by old partners in cash. Then that is the important point you are going to learn in this video, along with all other adjustment points. Now we enter into the problem. Students, pause the video, take down this problem, all the adjustment points, and listen carefully. I will read it out. So the entire problem I will read, you listen carefully. And one more point I want to tell you, this problem will come in the annual examination for 20 marks. This type of problem will be given in the annual examination for 20 marks. So you have to carefully watch the video and follow all my instructions. One by one, you have to take down in your notebook. Now listen. Asif and Akbar are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. And their balance sheet as follows on 31st March 2018. So this is the heading. And assets, you see assets, cash 10,000, sundry debtors 30,000, stock 50,000, plant and machinery 75,000, land and buildings 50,000. Total of assets 2,15,000. And whatever the values you are seeing on the asset side of a balance sheet, these values are called as book values. And come to liabilities side. Creditors 35,000, general reserve 20,000, capitals Asif 1,20,000, Akbar 40,000. Total 2,15,000. So this is the balance sheet of old partners. And here on 1st April 2018, they decided to admit Mr. Ajay for 1/5 share in profits. The terms of admission are: he has to bring rupees 40,000 towards capital and rupees 20,000 goodwill in cash. Asif and Akbar withdraw from business their share of goodwill. So this is the point, important point, which were not discussed earlier in the last 3 videos, but here we are going to learn when this point is given how we are going to solve this problem. Stock and machinery should be depreciated by 10%, land and buildings valued appreciated by 25%, give necessary journal entries open necessary ledger accounts and open balance sheet of new firm. So this is the problem, students, and I hope you understood the problem carefully. uh, y- you read it again to understand all the points that are given in this problem in the balance sheet as well as in the adjustments. Now pause the video, and once you read it carefully, I hope you read the problem. Now let me ask you a few questions to you. So who are the old partners in this problem? Is Asif and Akram are old partners. What is their old profit sharing ratio? Old partners profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Yes, that's correct answer. And who is entering into the partnership firm? Mr. Ajay for 1/5 share in profits. So new partner is Mr. Ajay. So when he has to bring rupees 40,000 towards capital and 20,000 for goodwill in cash. So new partner enters into the business and he brings 40,000 towards capital and 20,000 towards goodwill. So total of rupees 60,000 he brings into the business when he enters into the business. And next point, Nasif and Akbar means the old partners withdrew from business their share of goodwill. So the 20,000 rupees, whatever the 20,000 rupees brought by new partner, that amount is taken away by old partners after distribution. So this is the important here. What's happening? New partner brings the goodwill and that is distributed between the old partners. And third point is that the distributed amount is taken away by the old partners in cash. Next, stock and machinery should be depreciated by 10%. We have to depreciate, means when we reevaluate the assets and liabilities. So under the head we can go to reduce the stock value by 10% and machinery value by 10%. Next, land and buildings valued appreciated by 25%. Land and building value appreciated by 25% means here increased in the value of land and buildings by 25%. Okay students, and what we are asked in this problem? We are asked in this problem to write the journal entries, open necessary ledger accounts and open balance sheet of the new firm. Now after understanding the problem and the terms and conditions of a firm when they allowing new partner entering into the partnership firm, now we have to make working notes. Old partners capital amount: Asif 1,20,000, Akram 40,000 rupees. Their old profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Here Mr. Ajay enters into the partnership firm. He brings his share of capital of amount of rupees 40,000, goodwill in cash rupees 20,000, total 60,000 cash he bought into the business. Second point, here distribution of goodwill between old partners according to their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:1. Goodwill rupees 20,000 withdrawn by old partners. Here the condition also given. First we can go to distribute, and the same amount taken away by the existing partners according to their old profit sharing ratio in the form of cash. So Asif share in goodwill 20,000 into 3/4, that is 15,000, and Akram share in goodwill 20,000 into 1/4, that is 5,000. So now we are distributing this amount, and this amount is taken away by the old partners from the business. Next, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Under this head, see, decrease in the value of asset stock by 10%. Stock value is 50,000. On that, at the rate of 10%, if we calculate, we get 5,000. This amount should be reduced from stock value. Similarly, decrease in the value of asset. A machinery depreciated by 10%. So the book value of machinery is 75,000. On 75,000, if we calculate at the rate of 10%, we will get 7,500. This 7,500 we have to reduce from asset account, and these two figures, these two decreased amount should be recorded or entered in the revaluation account debit side. Next, land and buildings appreciated by 25%. So the land and building value is 50,000. On 50,000 at the rate of 25%, if we calculate, we will get 12,500. This amount is increased in the value of asset. So we can go to add to the asset account, and we can go to show the same figure in the revaluation account credit side. So here under this head, there are two decreased values of assets. One is increased value of asset. So next, distribution of revaluation account profit or loss according to their profit sharing ratio. But here in this problem, we are not getting either profit or loss. So both the sides of a revaluation account will show equal amount. So there is no balance. So no profit, no loss. Means here debit side of the revaluation account will come 12,500, and credit side of the revaluation account will come 12,500. So there will not be any balance in that account. So we can say there is no profit, no loss. So here no need to distribute a revaluation profit between or loss between old partners. Mr. Asif share nil, Mr. Akram share in revaluation account nil. Distribution of general reserve. So if you see the balance sheet in the problem, if you see the balance sheet, asset liability side, you will find one item, that is general reserve. So under fourth head, you can go to take the general reserve amount that can be distributed according to old profit sharing ratio 3:1. So general reserve amount is 20,000. We have to distribute it between Akram and Asif. Asif share in general reserve 20,000 into 3/4, that is 15,000, and Akram share in general reserve 20,000 into 3/4, that is 5,000. So distribution of profit and loss account. So in the balance sheet, in the problem balance sheet, there is no profit and loss account, so no need to distribute it. Asif share nil, Akram share nil. So this is the working note of this problem. So in this problem, the new point is that we distribute the goodwill between the partners, and that is taken away by the new partner. When the when the existing partners take away their share of goodwill in the form of cash, at the time we have to write one extra entry. So generally we used to write two entries. When the new partner brings the goodwill in the form of cash into the form, at the time we write one entry, and second entry when we distribute the goodwill between the partner, then we have to write one entry. So total two entries we used to write, but in this problem we have to write three entries. So 2 plus 1, third entry. Third entry is that when the new partner takes away cash from the business as their share of goodwill. Okay, so third entry, that is right. Now we can go to write the entries for these working note points, and we have to open necessary ledger accounts. See, first entry, when new partner enters into the business. Generally we used to write this entry. Already you know, in the last three problems we've written the same entry, except change in the name of a person and change in amounts. So what is that entry? A1 entry, cash or bank account debit 60,000, Mr. Ajay capital account 40,000, to goodwill account 20,000. So here new partner brings his share of capital and goodwill. For that we have to write this entry, being brought his share of capital and goodwill in cash. And second entry, whatever the goodwill that new partner brings, that should be distributed between partners. For that we can go to write one entry. What is the entry here? Goodwill account debit, goodwill account debit to Asif capital account to Akram capital account. So goodwill amount 20,000, that is credited to Asif capital account 15,000, Akram capital account 5,000. Being goodwill is distributed between old partners according to their old profit sharing. This is the second entry. We used to write it, and we written here also. And third entry, this is the new point, a new entry for the new point. What is that new point? The distributed goodwill is taken away. The distributed goodwill is taken away from the business by old partners in cash. For that we can go to write the third entry, A3. Asif capital account debit 15,000, Akram capital account 5,000, to cash or bank account 20,000. So being old partners taken away their share of goodwill from the business in cash. So this is the third entry. I hope children you understood how to write three entries when the new partner brings goodwill in the form of cash into the business, and that is distributed between the partners according to their profit sharing ratio. After that the goodwill is taken away by the existing partners in their profit sharing ratio in cash from the business. At the time you write the third entry. So this is the way we can go to write the entries. Okay, next we go for next adjustment point, a revaluation or revaluation of assets and liabilities. Here two assets are decreased, two assets values are decreased. What are the two assets values or decreased? Stock and a machinery. So when there is the decrease in the value of asset, what we have to do? Revaluation account should be debited. So in the previous problems you did the same thing. Here also you do the same thing. What is that entry? B1, revaluation account debit stock account to machinery account. So stock 5,000 rupees decreased, machinery account 7,500 decreased. Total of these two assets amount is 12,500. So being decrease in the value of assets. Next, okay children, the Here's the B point, you should not consider, wrongly it is taken. And come to next point, when increase in the value of assets. So land and buildings account 12,500 to revaluation account 12,500. So in this problem there is increase in the value of asset, that is land and building, 12,500, 12,500 being increased in the value of land and buildings. Okay, see children, here the decreased amount 12,500 is there and increased amount also 12,500. So which means there is no profit or loss in the revaluation account. So second entry that is given in here, you should not consider, wrongly taken, it is omit it. And come to next entry, distribution of general reserve. So whatever the general reserve appears in the problem's balance sheet, that general reserve should be distributed between old partners according to their old profit sharing ratio. What is that entry? General reserve account debit 20,000 to X capital account 15,000 to Y capital account 5,000, being general reserve distributed in 3:1 ratio between old partners. So we completed all journal entries, and we need to open ledger accounts. How many accounts we need to open? One is revaluation account, second cash account, third new partner capital account, fourth goodwill account, fifth old partners capital accounts, that is Akram and Asif. And next, if you want, you can go to open general reserve account, or else no need to open. So that is one account. And next, balance sheet. So 7 capital account, 7 accounts and 1 balance sheet you need to open or prepare. See, this is the revaluation account. So credit side only one asset, credit side only one asset value is increased, that is 12,500 land and buildings. And debit side, if you observe, 2 assets are decreased. What are the assets? Stock 5,000, plant and machinery 7,500. So both the sides you are getting equal amount, 12,500, 12,500, and there is no balance. No need to distribute that balance, or either profit or loss. There is no profit, there is no loss. After that, cash account. If you see this cash account here, somewhat different to the previous cash accounts. In this cash account, what's happened, you can go to observe carefully. Opening balance, this amount is taken, which is appear in the which appears in the opening balance sheet, means here problems balance sheet asset side, that cash amount should be taken here. Opening balance 10,000. After that, to that amount you can go to add new partners capital amount 40,000 and new partners goodwill amount 20,000, total of rupees 70,000. It becomes rupees 70,000 in the debit column. And come to debit side and credit side, the old partners taken away the goodwill in cash in their profit sharing ratio. See, Asif capital amount should be, Asif takes away 15,000 and Akram takes away 5,000. So their account should be debited. So 15,000 with 15,000, Asif capital account should be debited and Akram capital account should be debited with 5,000. Okay. So from 70,000, if we deduct 20,000, the balance would be 50,000. Balance carried down rupees 50,000. Now that amount can be carried forward to balance brought down rupees 50,000. This 50,000 will appear in the new balance sheet. So in this way you can go to prepare cash or bank account. Next, new partners capital account, Ajay capital account. Only one item we can go to show in the new partners capital account, credit side cash or bank account, that is rupees 40,000 is share of capital amount. Capital amount only we can go to show in his capital account, new partners capital account. So next, goodwill account. So here new partner brings goodwill 20,000. Credit side you can go to write by cash or bank account rupees 20,000. Okay, this goodwill amount is distributed between old partners according to their old profit sharing ratio. Asif capital account 15,000, Akram capital account 5,000, total of 20,000. Here balance sheet is tallied, no need to show the amount in the balance sheet. Here in the red color that is given, you need not to take it, just omit that, and the balance both the sides it is tallied. The balance sheet, in the balance sheet, new balance sheet, the goodwill account doesn't appear, will not come in the new balance sheet. The goodwill account we must not show in the new balance sheet of all partners account, all partners balance sheet. Okay, so just you ignore the red color amount. Okay, next, general reserve. See, balance brought down or opening balance. So in the problems balance sheet there is rupees 20,000 general reserve. You can go to take here 20,000, and that is distributed between old partners. See, to Asif 15,000, Akram 5,000, and the general reserve account doesn't shows any closing balance, so we must not show general reserve in the new balance sheet of all partners. In this way we can go to prepare general reserve account. Now capital accounts of existing partners. See here, balance brought down 1,20,000 Asif, Akram 40,000. These figures are taken from problems balance sheet, that is existing partners balance sheet. So rupees 1,20,000, 40,000 opening balance, credit side of their accounts we have to take goodwill, and whatever the goodwill we distributed between the partners 15,000 and 5,000, that should be shown here. Next, general reserve 15,000, 5,000. Revaluation account, there is no profit, so no need to write it. Okay, next, debit side, if you see, they taken away their share of goodwill from the business, that should be shown debit side in their capital accounts. Cash or bank goodwill taken away 15,000, 5,000. Now from total credit you can go to deduct total debit amount. So Asif capital amount, capital account credit amount is 1,50,000, debit 15,000. If you deduct from 1,50,000 15,000, you will get 1,30,000, that is the closing balance. Similarly, Akram credit total amount is 50,000, from that you deduct the debit amount 5,000, you will get 45,000, that is the closing balance. Okay, so their closing balances are 1,35,000, 45,000, and here that can be carry forwarded, and 1,14,000, sorry, it is wrongly printed, 1,35,000, 45,000 we have to take. The red color amount we can go to show in the new balance sheet of all partners. Okay students, in this way we can go to prepare the partners capital accounts. Next, a balance sheet of all partners. A balance sheet of Asif, Akram and Ajay as on 1st April 2018. See, cash account closing balance we taken 50,000, and debtors 30,000, there is no effect on debtors. Whatever the amount in the problems balance sheet, that as it is we have shown here. Stock book value is 50,000, from that you deduct 5,000 decreased amount, and the net figure 45,000, outer column we can go to show. A machinery value, book value is 75,000 and decreased amount 7,500 should be deducted, and 67,500 should be shown credits, outer column. Buildings book value is 50,000, increased amount 12,500, total 62,500 you can go to show in the outer column. The total of assets 2,55,000 of new balance sheet. And come to the liabilities side. Here creditors 35,000, there is no effect on creditors at the time of admission of a partner. So problem balance sheet amount as it is here we shown, and here general reserve doesn't appear because we distributed it between old partners. And next, capital accounts of all partners. Asif 1,35,000, Akram 45,000, Ajay 40,000. Total 2,55,000. So the balance sheet of all partners is 2,55,000. In this way, you can go to prepare the balance sheet of all partners. Students, here in this problem you understood. Once again, let me tell you the important procedure how to solve the problem. First, you read the problem 2 to 3 times and understand all the points that are given in the problem. And for the given important points, we can go to write working notes. You can go to make working notes. After making the working notes, you have to write journal entries. You can go to prepare the pro forma into papers, and in that journal you can go to write entries. Next, you prepare 7 ledger accounts. So as per the requirement, you can go to add one or reduce one account. So you distribute, you can go to post the information, journal entries information. You can go to post in the ledger accounts, and you can go to find the closing balances of ledger accounts. Some accounts may show closing balances, some accounts may not show any balance. So if the account shows the closing balance, that can be taken into new balance sheet. So if the account doesn't shows any balance, so simply omit it. And next, you prepare the opening balance sheet of all partners, and you show asset side all assets, and liability side you show liabilities, and you find equal amount both the sides of assets and liabilities side of a balance sheet. In this way, you can go to prepare or solve the problem. Hope children, you understood the procedure how to solve the problem. Thank you for watching this video.